That's yellow, that's diesel. This is white. What is white, guys? I know in Portugal the fuels have like a different color. It smells like fuel. Yeah, that's gasoline, petrol. Because diesel doesn't burn like that. If you guys are ever worried that we're smoking near Doug, this is what diesel does. Nothing. So what is this then? I thought they were both diesel, so I thought I'd throw them together. But so I have an extra can to fill up the quads with some fuel, but nope. Yeah, so the last time we moved pistons, Vanessa got drowned in oil. So I'm trying to prevent that now. I would like these two boxes to slide into each other. Ah, there we go. There we go already. And one hose. One more piston. engine hoist, I think. Richard left it here for Luke. Luke, if you see this video, Luke will probably not see this video. Should we try inter-channel communications? Can somebody let Luke know that Richard left him a engine hoist at my place? Let's see if Luke gets the message. Oh yeah, we also need to get one of these like really big washers. I hope they have them at the hydraulic shop. Anybody has any idea where to get these crazy big washers? You can write it in the comments. This bag with the snackies makes a completely different sound. Akira is not responding. Oh, I think she heard her name. Look, this is vegetarian. Shall we first? So with apple and peanut butter and turmeric. Snash. Is it any good? Is it any good? Looks like it. Akira stood it straight up. Is it good? Still inconclusive. Need to taste more. She's standing it straight up every time. Sorry guys. We're on a building site, you all should wear your helmet. You know that, right? That seemed to have worked pretty well. Let's hope my container works that well. So the other wood we can burn, but this has some sort of plastic on it. So we'll let the municipal burn it. Hi. More for sale signs. Tens aqua, tens poço. Some Portuguese are getting really their hopes up. The only person who's ever going to buy that is probably me. But the price is not right for me, so. It's also funny, when I come from Castello, there's like this road to the narrow bridge. And there are like hillsides where it has like a sign like for sale. It's like, you can try. If you don't try, you don't know. It would be great if we saw some for sale signs here, near our new off-road track. Can you see it? One for Zoe. And one for Akira. Zoe! Come here, boy. Zoe? Anda cá. Zoe. Anda cá. Zoe, you want some breakfast? Un poco de comer? Zoe, anda cá. Zoe is not listening at all. Zoe, anda cá. Now, anda cá. My dog is broken. Yeah, what's she doing? Zoe, anda cá. He was trying to constrain herself. I'm smelling the food. Good girl, sweetie. Bawa kadala. Bawa kadala. So he doesn't need to take too long, I think. Akira. Zoe! Akira's gonna eat your food! Welcome back. I think we can... Hey! What the fuck is that? Hey! I just wanted to give you one, but if you act like this, no. The fuck? Give me the small one. Very good not eating Zoe's food, sweetie. What's that all about? Hmm? This trimmer on battery doesn't work very efficient. It's nice to work with though. It doesn't make that much noise, it's not so heavy. But my wires keep snapping and I need to wait for the batteries to charge every time. So I found this other thing. Well, actually the same thing, but then with a wire. But this has much smaller threads, wires, and it doesn't cut that well. And it's a lot shorter. For me as a tall Dutch guy, the other one was not so tall. This one is even shorter. It works for borders very well. But not to do big areas. So yeah. The grass cutting takes multiple days just because of the batteries. I could do it with the gasoline one, but it's more tiring and it's sort of less fun. It's also fun, but less. What you doing, Zoe? Something jumping around in the grass. Yeah. See you all tomorrow. Bye.